What's up, gang? Right now, we're going to update the MetaTrader 5 interface to look relatively like the setup here, where we're going to have these symbols so we could easily swap out to different currency pairs. We're able to watch the history, we balance, and we exposure, and the trades that we in. And we also have a decent chart with the proper candlestick colors and trend lines and stuff. There's column lines of studies, I believe, and different time frames easily accessible. Right, to do that, we send it back to the origin, or where it does usually be originally, right? And I'm going to do that by coming on, just use the Bollinger Bands. So at the start, it usually be something like this. Now, I'm going to X off these two in case that is what you're looking for first, right? I'm going to leave the people looking for those two information first. So I don't know them subscribe already and they like up themselves. Boom, market watch. Right, so let's get about this. I know you can watch the tickers and everything here. And then view and toolbox. Take the other set of information down below, right? So that's how you're getting these two back. Now to update your chart to make it look a little more pretty, going on, first thing we're going to do is remove the indicators on the chart, right? So we're going to right click, indicators list, and remove Bollinger Bands, delete, standard deviation, delete, true range average, delete. Nice, close. Now the only thing that I'm missing really is the chart black and white. So you're going to right click, properties. If you had different charts like our line chart, click that by accident, or you have to just come back and select candles. You can click them right here too. Now I right click and I'm going on properties. So move my head over here because we was finished here. I'm going to change the background. I'll the background black for the while, but I can change the background to the height. I'll change the background for the foreground as black, bar up as black, bar down as black, bull candle, some type of green, bear candle, some type of red. The line chart, we don't have any line chart right now. I'll put as do. When I have it, then using the volume, bid price, gray. I'll put this as blue. As a sign here so I can see it easy, right? Easier. Ask price, I'll put this as purple. Stop loss, I'll do it as red. Right, so this is good for this section here. I'm going on show. I on the ask price because that does wick you out without recognizing, so I like to keep it into consideration. If you don't want it, you can just take it back off. Right, come on, and that is all for now. With these points here, we get to. So let's go and drag, right now. You notice I have a little space at the edge here, right? There is this button here. Sorry, this button over here. You don't have that space when using your line. You will realize that this jamming. So when you add the space, you bring it across, right? I'm not going too much into how the line set does work for now. We'll do that in the next video. That way you have to make sure like and subscribe. But we're going to just show you how to get these format up into this nice format here. So you're right clicking over any one of these, even if you didn't have the time frame, you say you didn't have the time frame, right click, select time frame. If these is no time frames are here customizing, right click on the time frames, click customize, and you bring it across the ones I want to use over to the side. So we say you bring over the 6 minutes. No, 5 was greater than 6 and you wanted to just rearrange it, press down, say change instantly, so 5, 6. I don't use the 6 minutes, so I go and remove that and press close. So that's good for me. For the lines, right, so this is what I call lines of studies. The lines of studies here, right? Wake up. Focus. Now, because I right click on the lines of studies and I go and customize, you'll see once with lines, it would have had the fibs over here, so I already removed my fibs. If you want to add back in any fibs, and you can add them back. Hey, look, rectangle. I like to use this one and then recognize that, so I can bring it over. And new other ones I've used. That is the main one I've used. So, cool. I'm glad I recognize that over here. I'm going to carry this up. Carry this down my text. Close. Realize it here. I love to use this to just draw a little box. We'll soon see how sweet that box is. For now, just delete it. And this is the default setting, right? So I can switch between the time frames easy, more observations, adding more boxes easy, etc. Trend lines, and I could set out the space. I could take back all the space if I want. So when we finish here, I want to remove these lines here, right? Boom. And we want to save the template. So we're going on templates, save templates. In this case, I'll save it as Nibi, and I'm going to show you something about when you do that. Now, you realize it because it's swapping here up in real time. However, if you also go in window, like I want to touch multiple ones, just cascade, bring out a new template. You realize to come back into the original settings. Go in templates, load templates, UV. To avoid having to do this over and over every time you bring out a new one, we're going to save this template or the next one that was updated. Save templates, defaults. Yes. Default not there, you want to type in default. I already had a default template, which was the blue. Just clicking it up just so right. I recognize all of them here coming out. So they same one, right? So USD card now. So they come in updated colors, right? Two different ones, yes. Right, and now so you could also watch different time frames at the same time. And we just do the AUD 1 hour, AUD again. Say vertical, and I'm going to say click on this one. Wait only 15 minutes. Click on this one. 25 minutes. So you see it updated not in real time on 15 and 5. Just be careful when you're trading, you don't mix up which one you're watching that. Because this looking nice, but alright, I don't know so you need trading interface, you just tell them what's going on. So you see the ask and the bid price we are talking, you can get the cup, the accident. We have one more thing to sort out. I take a so let's press this button here, right? So which would be alternates. We by default when you reach here, you just maximize and alternate as you see fit as well. And that would conclude setting up your MetaTrader 5. The basics, make sure you have these here too, which will be template order. We'll be doing that on next time, making orders and stuff. We just had the interface nice and saucy right now, ready for the start of the use. Yeah, we out. Thanks for coming. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Yeah, We make it to the end of the video. Die what we talking about. Sauce was sauce. Tell me that video wasn't saucy. That video was real saucy. You and me would know it was saucy. But guess what? It wasn't a surprise, remember? We talked about that in the first video here. You say sauce was coming. And guess what? Sauce is sauce. You can put this on a chicken right now. If I had a barbecue chicken, I'd have put this video on top of it. Because you know why? Sauce and chicken does taste good. Now besides that, guess what? We could put the sauce on the lettuce, so don't worry that. You know we put the sauce on the lettuce. And we put the sauce on the broccoli. We put the sauce on the broccoli too, right? Everybody getting sauce too. Now, I just want to get this nice and blue, right? Getting this nice and blue. What we want to do next? As we say, watch the next video to figure out what coming next. What we going to do now is that we're going on. Hopefully by now you have had the MetaTrader running side to side. If you didn't have it running side to side, you could open it up and watch the video over that BTR watching it from the internet, right? You can just do it over with the MetaTrader up. I will probably watch it out and then do it in line and sync. That's how I do it if I had the choice. No, I do have the choice because I watch over the video too. Tell you what we're talking about. That is source that we love. We out.